So this is where we are at with the Bush mechanic repair. We have turned it down to 3/4 of an inch. We have bought a 3/4 inch hub, had it welded to a 18-tooth matching pitch sprocket, and we're going to do something like this. But the part of the bush repair part is where I am, first off. We don't get much more bush than this. And this key seat will need to be filed in somehow. I'll show you what my plan is next. So I center punched as straight of a line of holes as possible. And then I will be drilling with this matching size drill bit as the keystroke. So this is basically where we're at. We're just doing a lot of this. It's not a lot of fun, but that's where we're at. Okay, so we have the key seat. Pretty good. I'm just gonna get the key now. This is my vise. It's a very nice vise, isn't it?
So we have it on.
These set screws must be tight. And there's a very specific way of doing this. So I really want these set screws to bite, right? So I have my wrench handle, right? I'm going to tighten it. Oops. Okay, so that's just hand tight right there, or firm. That's just firm. I'm going to tighten it. It feels pretty tight. I'm going to back it off. And then I'm going to tighten it again. And that's the same place there where it's tight. And I get another 1/8 of a turn or 1/4 turn. I'm going to do it again. And I'm going to take it off. I'm going to do it again. And every time I do this, I am biting into that key. And I want to be a nice deep groove. So that way, that set screw is never coming out. So we're going to keep doing this a couple more times. Okay then, so I've done it on this one as well. And you can see they're not showing any of that set screw, so we should be nice and solid. Almost there! It's working!
I want to say a special thank you to Comfort Welding. They actually have a different name on the actual building, but the bottom line is these guys were fabulous. They not only had that hub and that sprocket on the shelf, they were able to machine it to custom dimensions for me, so that way it would fit on my shaft, because you can see it's a pretty tight fit. The pitch of the sprocket is unique to a motorcycle, and so I really appreciate these guys and what they did for me.